So the tool I have for this week, or the artifact, is going to be Twitter. And Twitter can be used for the NETS-T standard of the professional development for teachers in many different ways. So Twitter can be seen of as a fun thing, social media, posting articles, statuses, jokes, things like that, but it can also be used for educational purposes as well for teachers to benefit from. So let's get to the home page here. So I have made a Twitter account. Sorry, I was looking at the terms of service. Let me get back here. So I made a Twitter account, and we had to use this for a different class. So I had already made it and posted an article about professional learning communities and used a hashtag. So teachers can use these hashtags to see different lists of people that might have similar ideas as them, and then see different articles that people have shared, and you can click on that and learn information that way. So learning information from different people. There's also, bigger entities that you can follow. So for example, I can see who I'm following here. So I have Teach Thought, Edutopia, NGSS, STEM teaching tools. So different things for teachers where you can find information about different things. So here's Edutopia, and they have different things they post, 8 strategies for teaching academic language to students. You can click on that article and it can bring you to their webpage, to a blog where teachers can learn different strategies that might be useful to them in the classroom. You can also see what lists that people are working on. So example, their Edutopia subscribe to Education News, Finland Hangout panelists, EdCamp organizers. So you can even just broaden your horizons by seeing, okay, education news, and see what's new in education. So it's kind of a way as a time saver where you can just kind of click on things, see things you as an individual and as a teacher are interested in, and then use that to benefit your classroom, maybe by getting different ideas on classroom management, maybe by finding different ideas on how to involve math more in your classroom, or maybe just connecting to different teachers that are teaching at the same grade level. So you can make groups on here, you can have lists with hashtags, and it's a great way for teachers to stay relevant and up to date with current topics and news, and a great way to connect to the NETS-T Standard 5.